All right, CES 2026, and now we are looking at the Lockin booth. And your name is?
Peter.
Peter? That's an excellent name. I love that. So tell me what you got going on here.
Actually, we are launching the brand new technology which we use the air charging, so you don't need to replace your battery again. No need to worry about the battery going die. As you can see, the V7 Max are using the aero charging. No need to worry about the battery engine.
That is actually really cool. So this is charging through the air. You don't actually have a battery inside. Is there actually a battery in it that is charging the battery, or is it supplying power as needed?
There's a battery inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's using the light to charge the battery that's on the inside. So this is the flagship model. What makes this one stand out amongst the other models that you got?
There's no one doing the air charging in the market. We are the first one doing this.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
really cool technology.
It's very cool technology because many users feedback to us that they're afraid about the battery going die.
Right.
They're afraid standing in front of the door, can't open and get into the house. That is a very tough question. So we just updated to figure it out. This is how we figure it out.
That's really cool. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I can only imagine there's going to be a lot of the battery operated ones, but then you can just use a key, but then if somebody duplicates the key, then they can still get in. With this, you can go in with your phone. So is it primarily the functionality with a phone, and then you said...
Of course, you can use the Apple Home, Apple Key, you can use the Google Alexa, and we have a Lockin app, so you can see a camera live over there.
Yeah. Awesome. Right on. Okay. This is awesome technology. Thank you very much, Minghong. You've been excellent.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You're here.